been quite loud today, but I'm not sure what the loudness was. Hey, Roseluck! Roseluck! Oh my god, Wisteria, what is it and why did you suddenly run at me? You want to know what was loud today? Well, of course, I've been going boom, boom, and crackle, 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 boom, boom. Don't you realise what today is? Monday the 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November. What? What do you mean remember the 5th of November? I know it's the 5th of November. It's Bonfire Night. Oh, Fawkes Night, Bonfire Night. Oh, that's what the boom boom crackle crackle crackles were. It was fireworks. Pony Sparkle Toys was trying to capture some good footage of the fireworks today that were blasting off by her house, but she didn't really get good footage. She kept hearing them, but not seeing them. And then she saw one just before she filmed, but didn't really manage to get good footage. Pony Sparkle Toys is going to show you some of the videos that she filmed today of the fireworks, and she's also going to show you some Fawkes Night fireworks that she recorded back in 2015, because that footage is a lot better than this year. Roll the clip. Did you see that? Wow, those fireworks were stupendous in 2015. This year it was okay, but 2015 was a lot brighter and bigger. You said it. Pony Sparkle Toys' sister also bought some sparklers today for her, so she is going to be using them in her video. Remember, sparklers are dangerous. Have an adult with you. Pony Sparkle Toys' dad and sister are both adults, so that's fine. Yep, let's have fun with sparklers. Oh, that's cool. The sparkler.
Do you want to do yours now?
Yes, please.
Hold it still. Hold it still.
It's awesome.
Look, go like this.
This is awesome for Bonfire Night.
on the ground.
Okay.
Ooh. Have it done, baby.
You want a big one?
No, you guys got
So what's the point in you coming here then?
it. To watch you
You
guys.
can have a small one then. Because I've got many.
Guy Fawkes.
Happy Guy Fawkes Night. Will the sparks hit me?
No?
Really fun.
Like I said, if you get scared, drop it on the ground.
I don't want to drop it on the ground, I want to hold it. It's dying away.
That's it. Ooh, you can see the red hot fire.
Yep.